Marvel ToeCon 嗱 Arc System Works 咧，其實嚟緊都好多搞作嘅，但係就可以遲少講嘅，因為 Arc System World Tour 最尾 World Tour 應該係5月20號定21號，即係我哋下個禮拜之後嗰個禮拜2個禮拜之後嘅啦。但係佢哋其實近期都有好多公佈啊、消息啊，最緊要就係佢哋除咗比賽之外咧，其實喺韓國嗰個我唔玩啦。佢哋喺韓國嗰個比賽咧，嗰度都會 showcase 埋一啲新 game 嘅 demo 嘅，甚至乎佢哋公佈咗咧會公佈 Strike GGS 2.0嘅新角色同埋一啲新玩法嘅 trailer。咁啊，呢個到時候我哋再講啦。但 Marvel ToeCon 咧喺再上個禮拜嘅 PlayStation Game of State 嗰度咧出咗個新 demo 之後咧，就俾咗一啲好大嘅信心俾啲玩家，因為咧之前都有講過，其實就佢哋出過2次 alpha test 咧，都令到啲玩家卻步嘅。個系統唔好啦，做得亦都有啲好即係點講啊 auto combo 啊，換人嘅限制啊，啲 combo 又悶啊，咁啊都幾多人有反應嘅，對隻 game 就 negative 啲啦。even 就好似頭先咁講，其實有啲大嘅格鬥 game 嘅直播人咧 YouTuber 咧，甚至乎覺得 Avatar 比起 Marvel ToeCon 做得好添，玩起上嚟更加有趣啦咁樣。咁因為咁嘅情況底下，其實Arc System 嗰邊咧喺出咗個 trailer 之後咧，亦都補充翻新嘅嚟緊我哋 demo 咧，第3次 demo 俾人哋試玩咧係會有大改動嘅。係啦，上次有文字講過啦，咁跟住之後佢哋其實出咗條片啦咁樣，咁我就覺得Assembly Dude 咧呢度就已經叫做包晒㗎啦，咁我覺得大家睇下呢條片。
Pretty wild ass ToeCon stuff is happening. I haven't reviewed this video in full. Did they just go over mechanics straight up? Thanks to your valuable feedback during the previous closed beta, the dev team continued to improve gameplay.
EXKO 暫時嚟講，我覺得未係個太大嘅隱憂嚟嘅，因為始終 EXKO 而家最近嗰啲負面新聞比較多啦，同埋睇嚟咧 EXKO 咧。對傳統係咪咁講咧？應該始終佢哋嗰個 IP 有啲唔同。Marvel ToeCon 咧，佢哋面向係更大眾化嘅一啲Marvel 迷啊，佢哋可唔可能落搭啊？呢樣嘢比較。而如果佢連基本上對現有 FGC 嗰啲 veteran 玩家佢都服務唔到嘅話咧，我覺得嗰啲 casual player 係唔會留得長。但係而家呢啲改動咧就係應該幫老玩家咧係提供咗一個強心針嘅。
In this video, we share a glimpse of the updates and changes that players will first experience at the Arc World Tour Finals in 2026. Damn it, where's that at? Korea? Jesus. My ass gotta go to Korea? I guess we'll just go over what's in here, evaluate it based on the stuff that we've been talking about. Myself and a few others were not over the moon about Marvel ToeCon, and we really wanted to be. To be completely honest, chat, I think you guys have been watching enough of my videos and what I've been saying about this game since the very beginning. I don't want this game to necessarily be Marvel vs. Capcom, but at the same time, I don't think it was fun, and that was an issue. For me personally, a fighting game that looks this good and was made by the tenure that it's made by, unfortunately just wasn't enjoyable. I was really struggling to find things that are fun, and even people were saying you gotta wait for training mode, and I'm like, I don't know if that does it, man, when I'm just like playing people and not really having a good time. Like, it led to some pretty deep evaluation of like, this has never happened to me before, man. Why is this one unfortunately hitting like a gameplay disappointment for me in some way? Either way, we had a whole bunch of hopes and desires. I was echoing to plenty of people, if you like the way this game plays, because I have a large audience and a large amount of people, Max says something, I will say the same thing. I get it. That just happens. I was emphatic about if you love the way this game plays currently and you played these betas, you need to tell them, because what's going to happen is that a lot of people that are really into this game for the gameplay are not particularly happy. Fighting game fans do not necessarily like the way this plays, and it ticks a lot of bad boxes in terms of like gameplay feedback and
雖然未必個個都會同意 Benson Million 都講嘢啦，但係佢都算係 Marvel 死忠同埋 Marvel Free 嘅或者 Marvel I 嘅長期用戶啦。咁而佢講得出隻 game 悶悶地，亦都有好多玩 tag game 嘅高手講呢隻 game 悶悶地咧。咁我都自己都 feel 到隻 game 係有啲比較單向，同埋佢都講得幾啱我自己覺得一樣。如果你有中意一隻 game 你玩開嘅，你係要公開講出嚟去評論嗰隻 game 嘅好壞，而要多啲去討論，然後俾個 game dev 去知道嘅真正諗法咯。係啦，呢個年代係你啱講合理嘅嘢咧，係有人會聽到，佢哋都會 base on 呢樣嘢去做。
Feel. So we're going to have criticisms on stuff, but if you really like it and enough people really like it, then it shouldn't change. I honestly feel that way. Not every single game needs to be for me. It just needs to be a game that I'll come back and hope that it eventually is for me. I do this with fighting games all the time. Injustice 2 and Mortal Kombat 11 existed. I didn't want to sway people's opinions too much. But with that being said, everything that I've seen on Twitter so far, the feedback was not just me. Apparently, a lot of people felt the exact same way when they played this bitch. So, footage is of a game still in development. So I'm going to shut the hell up. Let me see what is actually changing. Assign dedicated buttons. Where am I putting my ass? I'm putting my ass over here. Assigned dedicated buttons for tag and assist. I didn't play much of beta 2. Was that already a change? They changed the way that tagging technically works. It was still all in one button before? Really? Are we talking like more buttons now? Let's check it out.
係啊，冇錯，呢個當然啦，即係你一定要隔過嘅。但係如果有一樣評論係10個玩家裏邊有8個都講緊嘅話，咁應該要聽佢。
I definitely saw that. The tagging is much quicker, thank God, because it was just way too slow. It stopped the screen way too much. The combo that they specifically show here is also sort of indicative of the issue that the game had before, where like the combo structure was like this for almost everything. You know? This is much better. Yeah, this is pretty much how like every combo was looking in the entire game.
最近呢啲新嘅 footage 啦，或者佢哋都講我換人加快。
Cancel attack to trigger non-rush assist. Lovely. No, this was the thing we picked out from the trailer. Thank God, my dude. So wait a minute. Did this cost a resource? It did. In the same way that like the pip assist cost a resource, this one also did too. Fine. Sure. We I don't want to do infinite strings on people, man. I just want to use assists. That's great. Reduce assist hit stop and consecutive assist. This is nerdy.
係會有呢個會用到資源嘅。
Wow！
如果你 combo 中間用 assist 嘅話咧，你見到佢上面嗰個 life bar 下邊有3格綠色嘅嘢咧，就代表你其實一個攻擊裏邊可以用幾多。Tokon 啲角色係靚嘅。仔細度高啦，同埋 Arc System 係出咗名，日係動畫風格嘅人設。咁呢個我覺得同 Marvel 嘅混合係啱啱，即係非常之。GG 味一定有噶啦，點會冇啊
？Oh yeah, interesting.
我其實覺得有 GG 味更加係應該要有。
I see like 3 characters, 1, 2, 3. Whoa!
嗱呢啲就好 technical 嘢啦。
Right. So this is kind of neat. That was a lot of tags. But you notice how it only costs 2? Check this out, dude. At the beginning,
比較
anything on block
類似好似 game balance 嘅嘢嚟。咁但係我開心就係如果你呢啲就係對 veterans， 即係對啲老手嚟講一好重要嘅嘢咯，反而係即係老手就知道如果你可以不停咁嗌 assist， 然後 assist 每個 assist 嗰個打擊個硬直時間都係好強好多嘅話咧，其實係好單一嘅一個遊戲。咁而家佢變相就係話咧，你好似你每次連續 call assist 嘅話咧，嗰個打擊個硬直時間會減少嘅話咧，咁其實係代表防守方咧可以早啲喐動啦。咁變相就會令到某啲 set up 啊，或者係冇咁單一咯。防守方可以做嘅會多。
Her hit is going to use up a pip. That's the whole point of these green pips, right? Follow me. So Wolverine and Iron Man are kind of called at the same time. Thus, they take 2 pips. Okay. But because they're sort of like locked down in something and there's an opportunity in neutral, you're calling a grounded assist while aerial in neutral so it doesn't cost a pip. There is going to be tricky situations now where you're going to be able to call a neutral assist while no block animation's happening. And that'll just take some time to get used to and will lead to some pretty messed up situations, I think. That's pretty cool. I like it.
出咗嚟之後，第三個 neutral assist 咧就唔會再太多 block。
It just looks faster too. Things are just quicker. They're just snappier, you know? This is quite literally the BB tag meter system. Oh, no, we know. This game is more of a mixture of BB tag and Dragon Ball FighterZ. Those are like the main two games. With Guilty Gear Strive, Wall Break. Aerial assist condition changes.
如果啲 skin 可以 mix and match 啊
Dude, already the gameplay looks way better. Like, just looking at how these characters are just jumping around and engaging just from this. Dude, oh yeah, okay. Just way better. Calling assists up there. Cool. Calling assist shouldn't be.
呢啲都係啲比較專精啲嘅人先會知咧，例如話空中 assist 個樣唔同咗。咁啊，我自己都唔識分嘅呢啲，但係呢類型遊戲嘅最大賣點就係 assist 嘅出嚟個能力啊，或者喺邊個位出現啊，或者佢哋可唔可以做到一啲三文治式嘅mix up 啊，咁啊。如果呢一啲專家話係 OK 啲，我相信係會有特典有 skin 送，係啊有 skin 送啊。
Okay, just way better. Calling assists up there, cool. Calling assist shouldn't be free. Not everything needs a limitation.
着重啦，但係我覺得應該就算 GT 嚟講，佢哋都應該多着重啲唔同。
Crowd grounded assist while airborne. Where is this shown? Yeah.
同埋啲 tech game 就好混亂
Dude, it just looks like the game is running twice as fast compared to the betas. Twice as fast.
真係好混亂。
So much better.
跳起又可以 call ground assist 啊。
Like I'll be honest, playing neutral was insanely boring to me in the previous ones. Like being on defense or even being on offense, even if I was landing attacks, I was not being engaged at all. It is taking way too long to complete things and do things.
系統可能係 Arc System 設計嘅。
This is great. This is a lot better. Magic looks fun too. Cool. Super skills no longer cause wall break. Wow. So that's big. So what does cause wall break? Pretty much.
個道理咧，佢哋我又覺得講得通嘅。呢啲 game 咧係賣緊一樣嘢係咩咧？其實一條 team 咧雖然話有4隻角色啦，但係玩家。或者係比較新嘅玩家咧，可以用一隻角色去玩嘅。佢有啲機制，佢其實冇逼你要換人咯，除非你要玩啲好花巧嘅嘢，可能你要第隻角色。但係其實你成條 team 咧都係 share 緊一條 life bar 啦，你可以成場都係淨係用一隻角色，但係都仲可能做到一啲 tag 嘅combo 啊。咁啊，我希望個平衡做到嘅話咧係。可以幫到一啲唔玩 tag game， 即係類似我人咧都可以容易啲 pick。BGSC 2.0要加先。
Auto combo. Some wall splat moves still cause wall break. Throws still cause wall break. I think that's about it. Maybe level 3s? It seems like them making level 1 supers or supers just in general not do this. They're trying to prevent the amount of interruption. We were just moving around stages too much, dude. My mind is not made up on this yet because once we got the X-Men stage, I'm like, I'm never playing on anything else. I need to play the game to see what's happening because I don't know. I think this sounds like a really good change, but how much it will actually change things, we'll see.
transition 呢樣嘢我就
full knockdown post wall break，
但係 2D game 嚟講呢啲係我覺得係必須嘅。
哇！
嗱呢個都係好格鬥 game 嘅高手向嘅改動嚟嘅。佢話轉 stage 之後咧就會係 hard knockdown 呢樣嘢喺 Guilty Gear 度嚟嘅。Guilty Gear 咧，當你用超必殺技去 wall break 嘅時候，即係用氣嗰啲對手咧就會係一個叫 hard knockdown 嘅狀態啦。個 knockdown 嘅時間係固定嘅，同埋比較長，咁所以你就可以做一個叫做 air dash 啊，或者係地下做 meaty 啊呢類型嘅 set up 去進攻嘅。咁而家睇嚟就喺 Marvel Token 嗰度咧，佢哋都係將呢一樣嘢 apply 咗落去啦。
That's kind of like wall breaking and strive with a super. This is the same way you're getting character joining as well. Positive bonus is that your team gets bigger. Okay. I actually do not know how that's going to play out in total. It all sounds like good changes. Oh! I didn't think they'd do it. Bro! No way! Can you show it? Oh, dude, she tried it. Look. Oh, look at magic.
Right.
She literally whiffs like a stand light and does it again. Nothing else comes out. I honestly didn't think they'd do it. Holy shit, man.
另一個好大嘅投訴咧，就係 auto combo 嘅問題。龍珠都有呢個問題嘅。龍珠我記得早年都係咁樣嘅。龍珠咧，佢哋都有一個叫做 auto combo 嘅 system 啦。但係你不停咁樣輕拳制，佢就會自己打到 combo 咯。咁當然你打中人嗰其實冇嘢嘅。但係咧呢類型 auto combo 咧有個設計上嘅問題係咩咧？佢哋咧空陣嘅時候咧，嗰啲招式咧都會照走出嚟嘅。同埋因為佢哋 auto combo 嘅關係咧，佢哋每一招咧都有一個叫做自己嘅tracking 嘅，即係所以話咧，你第一 hit 個輕拳 whiff 咗之後咧，跟住個第二 hit 嗰個輕拳變成可能中攻擊啦，比較長啲嘅招式啦，佢咧係會 auto 追住個對手去嘅，係啦，即係變相就係話 whiff 嘅機會少咗啦。另外就有啲奇怪嘅地方會突然間嗰個輕攻擊咧會出咗啲其他招式嚟到阻住人啦咁樣，甚至乎係會令到啲 combo 會搞彎啲 combo 啦，亦都逼你係用嗰啲嘅 auto combo 去做 combo 啦。咁而家就係佢哋聽咗啲人講話 auto combo 啊 link attack 咧太過分啦，同埋好悶啦。咁所以咧，當你空陣嘅時候咧，呢啲 link attack 咧就唔會再無端端出現啦咁樣。Reduce aerial combo limit consumption 長啲咯，啲 combo 最簡單。之前大約係10 hit 左右嘅限制嘅，而家就可以升到去20 hit 左右啦。唔係真係 hit 數嘅，而係話一個招式，例如話你打一下拳、中拳、輕拳、中拳、重拳咁樣係3 hit 啦。然後跟住你出一個升龍拳，但係好似頭先暴風嗰個升龍拳係一個旋風。有3 hit 咁樣，咁但係其實應該都係計一下嗰個叫做 combo counter。咁但係就第一個 demo 同埋第一個 alpha 同第二個 alpha 咧都係得10個 hit limit 嘅，而家應該係加到15到20個 hit limit 左右咯。同埋每次加另一個 assist 攻擊咧，都可以將個 hit counter 咧降低1/3嘅。咁啊 combo 會長啲啦，攻擊力會高啲啦。我相信只要將每一 hit 嗰個攻擊力降低啊，或者嗰個 percentage 啦，我哋所謂嘅 combo scaling 降低啲嘅話咧，咁對整體嚟講嗰個 pacing 冇問題嘅。咁但係對於玩家嚟講，就可以研究多啲唔同嘅 combo 啊。唔同嘅 set up 啊，咁 which is 係真係好少。
Want to play and I'll like them. But if the game is initially not super fun to play, that is difficult. And here's the problem. If these things are already being smoothed out now, my brain isn't thinking about launch chat. My brain is thinking about 1 year later. What happens in like summer of 2027? How much loosened up are these things going to be? How many more abilities are they going to give us? How many cool team things are they going to add to the game? Have we noticed that there is no direct incentive for tagging still? Which still lines up, I think, with their overall design philosophy. Unless I'm missing something entirely, there is a good reason to use assists and do things, right? There is really good reason now to bring in characters and have them come in and do wild shit. But is there really much of a reason for you to swap out the character directly without coming up with stuff? Based on these changes, not exactly yet. Combo extenders, you don't need to change. The combo level gauge does not necessarily go down if you swap the character. And I think that's because they are still dead.
但係頭先講嗰樣嘢，只要 assist 出咗嚟，打咗一下，你唔需要轉入去嗰個角色度咧，嗰條 combo 條咧都會減少嘅。呢樣嘢就唔會逼啲，即係話你可以一條 team 裏面淨係揀一個角色，然後你都一樣可以做到比較長嘅 combo， 而係唔需要突然間由 A 角色轉去 B 角色或者 C 角色。先至可以連續個 combo 嘅話咧，對於好多人嚟講，呢個係一個好好嘅簡化咗呢類型 tag game 嘅一個入門啦。龍珠個問題當年就係啦，你好多時候咧，你除咗用 assist 去延續個 combo 之外咧，你係需要換另一個角色入嚟咧，去打另一套嘢先至可以繼續套 combo 嘅。咁我就覺得呢啲就係啲人點解覺得，尤其是同埋 EXKO 都係啦。EXKO 你都係中間要有一段時間要人去操作另一個角色咧，先至可以打到套 combo。但係 Marvel Togon 咧係冇，比較少啲去逼你咁樣做咧。咁我覺得係 對於玩開 one-on-one 格鬥 game 嘅人嚟講係一
dedicated to the
個
idea that the game does not have to be played with multiple characters. You can still have your one character with your 3 big assists and stuff like that. Active tag mix, don't get me wrong, 100%. Being creative with mix-ups and stuff is a way to make it better. I think the one thing that benefits that is that the tagging animation got way faster. So yeah, the opportunity to mix somebody up has been there. That has not been any different. Every single beta has been that way. However, from a general gameplay perspective, is there a great reason for you to swap out your characters? Does the game give you something for it? Does it give you the desire to swap out this one for that one? And mechanically, no, it's either like matchup based or it is for the potential of mixing up. It's all things that are like, do you want to, instead of telling you that you should. It's not changed yet. The game still very much looks like it can be played as a 1 character 3 assist game and not necessarily a 4 functional character game. And I think that is honestly by design. We need to play it. Straight up. We need to play it. Oh, there's also messages from devs. From Takeshi Yamaka, producer of Fighting Souls. We heard from multiple people now. Thank you for your
同埋你睇得出而家啲 game dev 佢哋嗰個或者 Marvel Token 啦，我覺得 Arc System 本身啦，佢哋都 open 啲嘅，即係以前啲 game 嚟計咧，你開發緊嘅途中係唔會話太多資訊啊，或者大家太多討論呢樣嘢。但係近年啲格鬥 game 咧，佢哋都傾向咧就係同個 FGC 啦，同啲玩家咧去多啲聯絡溝通咧。大家去傾嗰隻 game 究竟點樣去做？因為我見到 Tocon 佢就算隻 game 未出到咧，其實佢哋已經
dying
出
support
文啊，去同啲 fans
We hope you
講
continue.
我哋啲改動係
You
點
enjoyed our
樣
X-Men
啊，
team
我
reveal. We
聽
are
到你
currently
嘅
refining the
意
game
見
design
啊咁
based
樣。
on feedback from event demos and closed beta test 1 and 2. Some improvements are visible in the trailer, including updates to the assist mechanic, faster character switching, and adjustments to link attacks. Additional changes such as tuning the frequency of area transitions are not shown in the trailer, but we'll be showcasing the updated game build through hands-on demos at gaming events around the world, and we look forward to meeting you and hearing feedback. Up next, the new build will be playable at Arc World Tour in South Korea. That's what I thought. March 20th. Okay, good to look forward to that. A total of 11 characters will be playable, including the newly announced Magic, Wolverine, and Danger.
睇完啲人玩就
Stay
一
tuned for
定
more
好
announcements as we reveal the
多
characters and
片
game modes. We
評測。
believe that your feedback is essential for long-term success.
咁到時候可以再講啲難嘅呢樣嘢，唔係必然。始終遊戲開發都係類似藝術創作咁咯。即係有啲人係唔中意，有啲人喺度指點點啊，佢哋自己藝術家性格有啲嘢係我覺得係咁啱嘅就咁啱啊。但係如果你個商品嘅角度嚟講咧，開誠佈公啊，互相討論啊，吸收一啲正面意見啊，呢啲又係好緊。咁你話兩者中間攞唔攞到平衡？或者甚至乎咁講，其實可能觀眾係錯嘅，未必一定係玩家受眾係啱。而有啲經典名作，可能就係因為某啲人堅持自己己見。嗱，如果Hideo 即係邊個Metal Gear 嗰條友，個個都話佢Death Stranding 呢啲 game 死得啦，邊度有人中意車住啲嘢周圍去？咁佢就唔會出到 Death Stranding 1同 Death Stranding 2經典啦。咁你點樣喺創作者嗰個眼光同呢個觀眾啊，同一個玩家中間想要嘅攞到平衡咧？其實難嘅，我自己都覺得呢啲係而家近年 social media 嘅其中一個問題。